Now, I'm joined here by Sia, and he is the director of Broadtek, and I thought it would be a great opportunity just to learn and understand who are Broadtek and what are you guys all about?
Broadtek is a consultancy firm, so what we're all about is solving problems for people. Most of our clients are small to medium-sized businesses, and they come to us to solve a lot of problems that they can't solve internally. That means that we do things like digital transformation projects, we get involved in advising on technology, but also advising on systems and processes, and helping them making the changes that they need to work better in this kind of digital age. So those problems are often fixed. A lot of the times there are a lot of consultants that talk about the theory about doing these things. What differentiates Broadtek and I suppose our value proposition is that we get hands-on. We get really involved in the projects, and we see it through until it's actually been instilled into the culture of the company. Because when you want to change a company, you can't just theorize about that or just make the suggestions about the technologies. You have to have buy-in from a lot of different people, and that requires you to really be hands-on and get involved in the projects that you're doing. And so we've had a lot of long-term clients that we've been with, and that's essentially what we do.
Fantastic. So it was great to try and get a proper insight of who Broadtek are and what you guys do. Now, everyone watching, there's going to be lots of content going up on the Broadtek LinkedIn page, so make sure you follow the page there to see all of the content from here at the show.